Don't forget that this tutorial is part of a series of tutorials which you can access on our YouTube playlist, or alternatively, if you would like to, you can purchase the whole course on Udemy. There should be a link to the YouTube playlist and a link to our Udemy course, which should always provide the best price in the video description. A handy customization to make in the Django admin, if you are using the Django admin, is to customize the fields displayed in the list view. If you go into the Django admin, select one of your models, you are presented typically with the default dunder string output here. In this case, I can see the names of the categories, but sometimes you want to potentially see some additional information. It can be useful to see. In the Django admin file, let's go ahead and expand to include the list display equals, and then we just need to specify what we want to show. So in this case, the name, and in our category, we have a slug as well. So we define that too. Let's go back into the admin and then refresh. And you can now see we're presented, in addition with the name, the actual slug as well. So obviously that can be expanded, and you can change that depending on the fields that you want to see in this list view related to individual models. Of course, what I mean by that is that we are specifically tailoring, changing, customizing the category admin, but you could do the same for any of the models that you have that's defined in your Django models.